Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Well, it's Thursday, and today is the Chicago Blackhawks parade. There's already a lot of people lining up for the parade this morning, and weather here in Chicago is foggy and misty, so it'll be kind of interesting to see what kind of crowd shows up for this parade. As far as the markets are concerned overnight, beans are down a little bit, corn down a little bit, wheat's unchanged. I think yesterday the CME announcement of force majeure on Illinois river stations and loading corn and soybean barges has offered a little bit of weakness in the nearby spreads. Hopefully this weather changes and this doesn't last very long, but it could offer a little bit of support in the export basis levels if barges can't move down there. As far as the weather is concerned, we've got some big rains right now in Nebraska and also down in the Missouri and Delta area. These rains should move across the Midwest in the next 48 hours. When we look at the 6 to 10 day outlook, looks warmer and drier next week, but the 8 to 14 day maps went suggesting normal to above precip for the Midwest. So that's a little bit different than yesterday. What the crops need right now is sunshine and dryness, and then followed by normal weather after that. I again think farmers should be looking at selling some cash grain, 14 corn around 365 in the July, new crop at 385 in the December, beans 975 in the July and 950 in the November. If we walk in here Monday morning and the weather looks normal, we could take some of this weather premium out of the market that we put in the last few days. Also, USDA's June 30th report is building into a big report, especially for beans. Stocks numbers are key for the direction of soybean prices, especially old crop. What the USDA does as acres is also key for corn and soybean prices. Export sales should be good in corn. We'll see if new crop bean sales pick up on this weather scare here in the United States, and wheat sales should be average. All in all, pretty quiet trade overnight, a little bit lower. Dollar continues to sink lower after Fed Chairman yesterday said that they may raise interest rates with the proper data, but didn't really give any timetable for that. And most commodities are higher, led by crude oil. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.